Hello students, today I am going to teach you one point perspective. For that we need to take it pencil, eraser, if you need it, pencil, shading pencil like 8B, 10B or simple pencil like HB, you can take it. One point as a vanishing point there, line going towards one point, another one line going towards upside, one line going towards downside, same thing here, one line going towards here, here and here. These are the three rays which is going from different corners. Again three lines from the VP point to different levels. Now I am going to make it house straight by using these three lines. Here one slipping line, one standing line, again one slipping line, again one standing line, again one slipping line, again one standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing. These are my houses. I am going to show this as a houses. Same thing here on opposite side, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping, standing, slipping. Again these are my house. Now for house, this is my eye contact level. I am showing this a slipping line passing through a VP point, vanishing point. This is my eye contact line. If a house is under a eye contact line, then all the terraces you can see easily. If a house is beyond the eye contact line, you can't see the terrace. You can see the depth after whatever we draw under a eye contact line. You can see easily its depth inside. Beyond this line you can't see the depth. So I am going to say that EC आई कॉन्टेक्ट लाइन के नीचे जितनी भी हाउसेस है उसकी डेप्थ मतलब उसके टेरेसेस दिखेंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो द टेरेसेस. नाउ हियर वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, one slipping line and one slanting line. This is my terrace. Same thing here, standing, slanting, slipping, standing, slipping, slanting. जैसे जैसे आगे जाएगा डेप्थ कम होती रहेगी. Even also houses also small, even depth also small. Now here same thing, standing line, slipping line and slanting line. At this row you can see that a depth is showing on a opposite side. Same thing here, it goes here. This is a depth what I am to showing right now. This is my depth, this is my terrace level. Now I am going to show one more slanting line, light slanting line for showing my doors. This is my door, here is my door. Again here one light line going towards downside for showing the door. Here door is ready. If you want to show some footpath area, yes, this is our footpath area. You can show the blocks by giving slipping lines. Here our slipping line is done. That specifies the footpath. Same thing here, opposite side. When it goes to vanishing point, it goes very small. Here, if I want to make it tree on my back side of the houses, I can make it tree. I can't make it log because it is beside the house. Same thing here. When it goes near to VP point, trees, I can show the tree is very small. When it comes to VP point, you have to show your small trees. Here my branches of trees is ready. Now I'm going to make it bushes. Few dark lines. I'm dribbling the pencil. It is my 10B pencil. This is my tree done, which is hiding back of my strips. Here my tree is ready. Now this is my eye contact line. Few bushes I'm going to make it. Here my bushes are ready. If I am to show this as a land, grassy land, little bit shades inside. I need my shaded, cover with shade. It's done. Few mountain on the back side. I want to show as a village street. This is my shadow part. Here my shadow part is ready. Now few birds in the sky.